I'm back. We're gonna be doing this sweet Serenity botanical, what is in Spanish, soap kit. I'm gonna be making some soap today. I don't know if I'm gonna use this on my skin, but I'm gonna try to use it on my hands, see how I like it. So I bought the kit like 3 months ago, never did it. I just been looking at it, so I'm gonna do it today. It's a good day to be in the house, rainy day. Excuse my hair. Move those out the way. So you're gonna need a cutting board, a microwave safe dish or container. They say use a measuring cup. I don't have a measuring cup, but this is a microwave safe bowl, so I'm gonna use that. You're gonna need something to stir with. You're gonna need a knife to cut your soap with, preferably not this big, but hey, it's me. And then this is what's included in the kit already. You have your soap, which is called opaque suspension soap. Anyway, use this to make soap. So they have that. They have a fresh herbal fragrance in here. I don't like this. I'm allergic to flowers, so I have allergies and stuff. So I'm probably not going to use this one just because it doesn't give my nose happy vibes. It doesn't give my nose happy vibes. So we're going to set this to the side. But if you don't have a problem with floral scents, this would be for you. And then they also have citrus, a cool citrus fragrance. Ooh, look, oops. I like this one. So I'm going to use this one. And then it has a warm vanilla fragrance as well. This don't smell like your normal vanilla, like, you know, vanilla extract. That's kind of what I was thinking, but it has a very earthy vanilla scent. So I don't know. I'll use that in moderation. And then they have apricot seeds. I never knew apricots had seeds. And I'm smelling the back. Don't smell like nothing. And then it has a rose mica powder coloring. So I'm assuming that this is to give the soap the red tint. So that's also in the package. And I do not know what this is, but we're going to find out in just a second. Step 2 is you want to remove the soap from the package. I don't know how to smell. Why I feel like that. It's weird. But anyway, so first step, remove the soap from the package, and you're going to cut your soap. I'm only going to do, let me see, half of this first. Ooh, that cuts really easy. It still don't have a scent to it, which is really weird to me, but I guess that's why it's a DIY kit. You design it, so. Cut your soap. Decided to cut mine into, hold up. So, I want them to fit in here, ideally, so. Okay, that works. So, cut your soap. And then, I already cut it into cube-sized pieces. And now I'm just gonna put it in the microwave. And I want to put it in the microwave on 20-second intervals, which every 20, these kids, oh my God. I need to clean my microwave, y'all. I'm sorry. I didn't do this. I really use it. But anyway, put your stuff in, put your soap in the microwave. You're gonna microwave it 20 seconds. We're gonna do 30 seconds. We're gonna take it out in 2. Nope. 20 seconds. You can see it melted a little bit, but not a lot. So I'm gonna put it back in. Second, 20 seconds, and it's way more melted, but not fully melted. So I'm gonna pop it back in. And this is the coloring. Oh, look, I'm gonna show you how it's so satisfying. If you know me, you know I like glitter. Oh yeah. So now we're gonna stir her together. Ooh la 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 la. And I'm gonna hurry up because I can already feel it's cooling down. And I actually lost the instructions for this. Which is probably just making it a little bit harder than it's supposed to be. I lost the instructions because I opened the box, but I let it sit for a while before I actually decided to do it today. So, as you can see, it's already starting to kind of mold to the spoon. So, I'm going to hurry up and transfer this to its mold. I'm not sure how many of these I'm going to make, but I also need to spray the mold with the rubbing alcohol to prevent bubbles. So, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to remelt my soap, and this looks much better. Luckily, soap is kind of like Play-Doh, so you can kind of play with it a little bit. But I have to let this sit for 30 minutes, and I have some extra, so it looks like this makes a lot of soap. I only thought when I bought the box that it was going to make like 4 pieces, but apparently not. And so I'm going to let this sit for like 30 minutes, and I'll be back. So this is what the soap looks like after 30 minutes or more. I just kind of let it mold on its own. But now I'm going to see if I can take it out. And maybe